Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to send a Google Drive link on WhatsApp so you can easily share your photos and videos. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. Then, locate the file or folder you want to share. Next, tap on the three dots next to the file, and then select the Share option from the menu. After that, you'll see sharing settings. Make sure the link sharing is turned on. Furthermore, set the access to anyone with the link if you want the recipient to view it without requesting permission. Now, tap on Copy Link to copy the Google Drive link to your clipboard. Then, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send this link. And then, simply paste the link in the message box by long pressing and selecting Paste. After that, tap the Send button. Your Google Drive link is now shared on WhatsApp, and the recipient can access your photos, videos, or any files directly. Furthermore, this method works for sharing large files without compression, keeping your original quality intact.